It's -5 on a Wednesday. 6 o'clock, a little after 6. Just barely we got sun poking. Oh, the sun's almost up at 6:30. Oh, now all I can think of is can't wait to go do hay. But until we get there, we got a lot of planning, a lot of maintenance left. But I figured the old plow truck needed a little spritz. Gonna wash the undercarriage, my protector for the negative degrees. Paint's chipping off at a relatively fast pace. You can see she's just dirty. Snow's still falling off. It's been in here since last night, running the heat pretty good in the shop. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. And dreaming of freshly cut alfalfa. Oh, take me back. But till then, I'm gonna keep cleaning. I'm gonna clean the whole interior of the old gal. The old farm truck deserves it. I don't know, maybe it's the last good snowstorm of the year. We're at about 6 inches, maybe 5. Trailer's dragging. Why wouldn't you go buy a Harley Davidson? It's bike week. Gotta get your Harley to go. She's the old Heritage, 91 models. Rough around the edges, but it's a cool color. All right, we gotta get unloaded and moved. Look at the wood. Wood for days. Much more over there. But we can't win. It just won't stop snowing all the time. All right, we gotta go. Doing the dirty job of cleaning the floor drain. There's enough salt, dirt, and screenings from a winter of washing. Smells good. We'll load that up, dump it. It got up to 48 degrees today. Snow was melting. Got an update on Yukon. He's got a little broken paw. Poor guy. I think what happened was deer stomped him. I think we got some crazy deer. It's not even calving season for him. But it stamped him, cut his leg open, broke some of his paw. So our local vet's been taking good care of him. Hopefully he gets a speedy recovery. So he can get in the tractor. So we gotta go tractor riding. Poor little feller. Well, tonight we're waiting on good buddy Tarzan. Should be coming within the next 20 minutes. First shipping container for the hay storage build officially kicks off today, March 3rd. A long road to go to get it built, but it should be really cool. We're going to be using all three. I'm going to go get them positioned. Cutter bar is back in. We got her timed. I got a PTO to put on there. A couple things to finish up underneath, including welding. These things are known for this. But if you look back there, this little bracket breaks off quite a bit. It needs to be welded in there. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that, guys. That was your head. So I gotta get that welded up tonight. Get that PTO shaft hooked back up. Clean her out. Then grease. Grease, grease, grease. Oh yeah. New shaft installed. If you remember, she was sheared off. We got a new one in. $300 later. Fill this up with oil. Belt back on. I might even have a new belt. We gotta get this thing tip top. Hay season. It's right around the corner. I like to think it is, at least. Right now it's 45 degrees. Very, very sloppy. Frost is coming out of the ground. Snow is melting. We got rain tomorrow, actually. Be a nice set of pace. Throw the rain in there, sprinkle it in. I did get something new on some auctions. Not what I needed, but we did get a new Cultipacker, Brilliant style, 15-footer. So I'll be able to have one of my own instead of renting one, which is good because making hay ground, you need a good seed bed, just soft, something where we can get her smoothed out and we can cut at 10 miles an hour, really get her done. Especially now that we got this beautiful 1411 discbine tape shape. So yeah, I really want to be able to mow fast. A couple other things I'm working on. Still need a small square baler. It's coming. It's coming. You gotta have faith. Accumulator. They're out there. I'd like another tratter. I have been bit by the tratter bug, and I want more tratters. I don't know why, but I do. So we'll see. I got some extra work I got to get done, buttoned up. Probably start an OnlyFans so I can get some more money for these tratters, because God knows they're not cheap. So yeah. Oh, we got update on Puppy too. Everything's looking good, healing up. He's probably got another week left of the cast, so he's just he's doing dog things. Matter of fact, I better go check on him. Make sure he's not running on it. Okay, I'll be back. It's not very fun down in these spots. Lift kit. I'm not looking to lawnmower. Picked up a Brilliant today. Yesterday's auction score.
Big score. Big score.
Tarzan's at the helm.
I'm always in charge. The way it should be.
The SS Minnow here. Well, now that we're loaded, heading back. I think we got time for lunch date.
Beers. Lots of beers.
Straps are holding good. Rock solid Fords.
Fucking cruises. Might be working.
He's an amateur Ford driver.
Got my Chevy back. Got my high country.
This guy hit set.
There we go. It actually works.
The old Ford don't let you down unless you need to go somewhere fast. Then it's gonna let you down. We got one I left the key on. I had it back too far, left her on. Batteries are dead. Still charging. Won't start. But we did finish a discbine. We just got done testing it. And I gotta say I'm pretty happy because it sounds amazing. They're not out of sync or gear backlash problems. It just sounds smooth. Back together again. A lot of new parts. She's gonna mow hay, maybe even the yard to test it. I don't care, but it's amazing. So we're gonna unhook that. We got that unloaded. The old Brilliant is unloaded. And we need two bearings. So that's next on the list. That disc mower needs a little bit of work, but it ain't bad. Just really going through. I changed all the fluids last year, so it's good. But I'm excited. 60 degrees today. Lots of sun. A lot of things getting done. I even broke out the new truck. We had a good rainstorm the other night. Like an inch and a half. All the salt's gone. So yeah. We're gonna keep grinding. Hey, who doesn't love auction day? Normally you go to the auctions, but I work all the time, so I can't. But we watch it from the computer. And today, we're looking at a couple things. But here's the big one. We're looking at a New Holland and a little square bed. And you say why? Because this year, we're getting into small squares. Got a whole plan drafted up. We got a hay shed that should be going up in March. A lot of work again. But we're going to do our own hay sales. And I'm going to have a building for it so I can store it all. We're doing a 40 by 60 building. Should be pretty good. I'd like to do an inline baler, but unfortunately it's not in the budget this year. We're hoping this 1990 New Holland 575 goes for a good price that I can affordably buy it. It looks decent. I never went down and looked at it, but I can tell somebody's been working on it because they got different color pickups. Should be up in here somewhere if there's a counter, but bigger tires so I can go down the road. The chute's going to come off because I'm doing accumulator. Drop them on the ground, pick them up with an accumulator so I don't have to touch them, and it should be faster. But it looks good. So I'll record while we are in the midst of it, clicking a bid, and we'll see if we can go bankrupt.